Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today actually it's going to be a requested video. One of my subscriber, Miss Radha Kapoor, she was actually requesting me from quite a long time to review Swiss Beauty, that is real makeup base highlighting primer. She was actually requesting me from a long time to review this product on my channel, but I was just waiting for a right moment to grab it on some particular offer. I got this product from Amazon, and since I am a Prime member, I got like only one product, but with free shipping I got it. Right now this product's price keep on fluctuating. I guess I got it at around 266 rupees, this particular highlighting primer. I'll just tell you each and everything, but if you are new to my channel, that is if you like what you see, then definitely please take out a moment and consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Your one subscription and one like, actually it encourages me to make more such kind of videos. That is, if you will give me one like and if one person will subscribe me, I get boost to make 100 more videos. Yes, that type of attachment I am having with you all. So please take out a moment and subscribe, as I told you earlier. Right, and if you want to message me or if you want to ask me anything in particular, any general or anything, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can DM me over there also. There also we can be friends. Right, now let's begin with the video. She was actually requesting me and she was basically confused whether a 17-year-old girl can use this or no. Then I will definitely like to answer your question. Yes, Radha, 17 years old girl can also use this, provided you don't use makeup products and all frequently, and please do take care of your skin also. Like whenever you require, that time only apply makeup, otherwise skip out makeup. That is what only my personal suggestion is. Rest is up to you. You can do whatever you like because it's of course it's your life. Right, now in this particular highlighting primer we get 3 shades, 1, 2 and 3. The shade which I got is a shade number 02, golden tint. I guess in this 01 is if I'm not wrong, it is pink tint, and shade number 3 is natural tint. Now she was also confused like which person can use. Then the pink tint, I personally believe the person who is on the fairer side, fair to medium, that persons can use a pink tint. That will look good on them. Right, the golden tint will look good on the person who is into medium deep to deep, tan, dusky, all that peoples can use golden tint one. And natural tint basically it can be used by any, like fair skin people can also use, and even the dark and tan skin girls can also use that natural tint one. But since keeping my skin color in mind and since keeping my choice in mind, my selection in my mind, I ordered the golden tint one. I'll just show you first the texture of the primer so that you will come to know how it looks and all. I'll just take out a little bit. Of course I've taken a little bit extra, but this is, you are not required so much, but just to show on camera, because sometimes if I take a little bit on the camera it doesn't show off. And yeah, before moving towards like the hand swatch and all, I would like to tell you, on my one half there is this highlighting primer and on the other half I have not applied any kind of primer. So if you know which side, that is on my which side highlighting primer is there and on my which side the primer is not there, then definitely do comment right now. I will tell you. Of course you will come to know during the video, but then tell me whether you have guessed right or no, because on one side I'll just come a little bit close, that you have to guess on which side the primer is there. This is the one half, okay, and this is the other half. I am not sure whether the camera is doing the justice or no, because I have tried to give the justice to this product as much as possible. I have taken out a little bit more. Y'all can see. Y'all can see this is the golden tint one. Y'all can see this. Okay, and this is without any tint. This is my natural hand. I don't know whether you can see side by side little bit. This one is with primer, this one is without primer. Y'all can see a little bit. I'm trying my level best because sometimes the camera doesn't capture the sheen of the primer. That is what I want to say. So this is like I have applied and I have shown you. This is the golden tint one. We'll just talk about, because I have taken out the primer, we'll just talk about the packaging. It comes in this kind of box, cardboard box, golden color. I'm not sure whether the other primer, it is like color coordinated, that this one will pink and the natural tint one, what, I'm not sure, because I have seen only this and I have only this, so I can vouch on this. This is kind of a gold color outer box with white, gold and white, and on the rest three sides is total golden. On one side they have given you the image of the bottle, how it looks. Okay, on the top of the packaging it says number 2 and it was sealed, so you can definitely say this is a original and authentic product. Number 2 golden tint, Swiss Beauty, and over here they have written Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. That is what is written over here, right? One side, as I told you, they have given you the image. On one side they have said Swiss Beauty highlighting primer, brighten skin, contains each and everything, usage. They have actually shown us the 2 ways, but the way in why I have applied is the 3rd way only. They have said you can use either with your BB cream or with your foundation, mix 1:1 proportion and then you can apply. The other way is after applying your base makeup, they said use it as a liquid highlighter. That is, you can highlight, you can take a little bit on your hand and just dab it on the places where you want to highlight the features. That is the 2nd way. But what I did is I used it as an highlighting primer, exactly like ditto highlighting primer. I took it little bit on my higher points. I have not went to the perimeters, that is I have not gone to the outer side of my face, that is the outer area I have not applied. I just stick to this much part, that is over here. I have just stick to this much part and I applied the primer. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. So total 3 ways you can apply this primer. Okay, and it's okay, I'll tell you now the price. The main thing, it is for 30 ml. The manufacturer is January 21 and you can use this primer for December 24. So January to that is 21, 22, 23, 24, total 4 years. Yes, you heard it right. This is like proper user. You can use it for 4 years. Okay, the MRP I guess is, if I'm not wrong, 325 rupees, but I got it for 266. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, it is for 325 rupees. I'm so sorry. I just mentioned the price on the screen also. That is the MRP and I got it at what price? But I got it at 266, that is for sure. 100% sure. But the MRP is actually not written over here. I'm so surprised. Sorry. It is written 349. Yes, sorry. I'm extremely sorry. The MRP is 349 and I got it for 266 rupees from Amazon. Okay, now we'll talk about the inner packaging. This is the inner packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. Okay, this is the glass bottle. Everything is written over here. So if you want to throw away this, you can, because over here the MRP, the manufacturing, the golden tint, that is the shade, everything is written. So if you are having more than one shade, then definitely you can keep it like this and you can easily make out from the bottom. On the top they have not given you, but on the bottom they have given you a sticker. Okay, only the sticker will specify if at all you are using the sticker, but there are no chances. The sticker is quite proper. So there are no chances, but if at all you use the you lose the sticker, then there will be a problem for you. Then you have to take out swatch and then you have to check. Okay, it is a glass bottle, 30 ml. 3 sides it is curved, 1, 2 and 3 sides it is curved, and on the one side it is flat. So if you are laying like this, it will not move around in your drawer. Suppose if you are keeping in your foundation collection, primer collection and all, if you are keeping it flat, it will not move. Otherwise, suppose if it is the round bottle, then it keeps on rotating, but this will not move. This is a sturdy base. So this is a good point. I liked. It is a creative mind, right? And the cap is also tight. Okay, I'll just shut it for you. You can hear the sound. Can you hear? It is quite tight. So if you want to take it during the traveling, no problem, you can, because it is safe. Only one thing is, it is glass bottle, so you have to be very careful. And it comes with a pump. You can see black pump. And the pump is also quite of good quality. In fact, the packaging of this particular is 10 on 10. top notch, very good quality. Now what we will do is we will just move towards the demo of this particular primer, and then I will come to my conclusion whether we can go for it or you can not, we should avoid it, right? We'll just move towards the demo. Yes, now I am back. I have just applied a little bit of moisturizer, just done my eyebrows and a little bit of lipstick. Now what I'll be doing is rather applying on the full like on the center points or something, what I'll do is I'll just apply on my left hand side. That is the points where I want to highlight, because this is a highlighting primer. It's already, like it always says, highlighting primer. So I'll apply the area wherever I want to highlight my features, that is the cheekbones over here, little bit here and little bit here. That's it, not anywhere else, and little bit on the like bridge of my nose, not on this side. I'll just apply on the one side, that is on my left. So I'll take a little bit of primer and I won't be applying on my right, so that you can compare it, you can easily make out what difference does it make. So I'll be just taking a little bit. Just taking it. Now you all can see the difference. On my left hand side I have applied the primer. Can you see the difference? It is giving you kind of sheen on your face. It's not actually glittery, it's not at all chunky. And this side I have not applied anything. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply my full face of makeup and I'll come back. Yes, now you all have already seen the demo. I'll just tell you the lipstick info, because then you will be confused. It is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade 362 Plum Bum. Okay, this is the lipstick which I have applied on my lips, because then you will be confused. Now y'all can literally make out the difference. On my left hand side it is giving me a sheen kind of effect. On my right it is not. My right side is total flat. On my left it is giving me a sheen effect. You won't believe, my husband actually doesn't know anything about the makeup, but after applying the base over here, when I went inside and I just asked him which side you can, like, can you see any difference? I directly asked him. So he immediately said, yes, your left hand side is little bit sheen and your right is total flat. Then yes, of course, because I had applied on my left hand side and right hand side was totally clean, neat. There was no product on my right hand side. So definitely, if you ask me, keeping the price factor in mind, and definitely this is made in PRC, but one second, let me confirm. Yeah, it is China. So yeah, made in PRC. So if at all you are having that problem, then definitely you can skip. But Swiss Beauty is an Indian brand, so definitely I will suggest you can go for it if you are having some budget, and like definitely 30 ml for 345 during like Amazon and all, you can find it on sale. And also like this is easily available on Flipkart, I'm not sure about Myntra, but Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, this is easily available. But on Nykaa and Purple this is little bit expensive, and on Amazon it is little bit cheaper, provided you are a Prime member. Otherwise you have to order for around 500 rupees, then you will get it on proper discount. Just a small like observation from my end I wanted to share. So if you ask me, definitely I will suggest you can go for it. The longevity and all we cannot say, because they do not claim for longevity part. They just say it is highlighting primer, brightens skin, modify pores, moisturizing and nourishes. That is what they are claiming. They do not claim that this will be like there for 12 hours or 15 hours. So that is why I am not doing any kind of wear test. In any case, I am not going right now anywhere, because you all know we are currently where I am staying, it is under lockdown, so I am not going anywhere out also, and that is why I am not doing any kind of wear test and all, because it's an highlighting primer. So definitely highlighting base. So I will suggest you can go for this product. And if at all you feel I am a little bit low in my energy or I'm making some mistakes, then yes, I'm extremely sorry. As you all know, from last quite a few days I'm not at all in mood of doing some research or some videos or something. And if at all you hear some raining or something, then yes, it is just started raining at the place where I'm residing. So it has just started raining, and that is why you can hear some noise. So I'm extremely sorry for that also. And yeah, if at all you have any other questions regarding this product or anything, you can comment down below. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, or ask them also to subscribe. Please give it a like. You people just come, watch the video and go away. Don't do it. Like will not cost you anything. As I always say, it will encourage me, because all these products I'm getting by my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me, nobody is giving me anything. So please, I request you, I urge you, personal request, give it a like, then go. And yeah, any other video suggestions also let me know in the comment, or else you can DM me also. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.